Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see who viewed your Instagram story after it expires. For example, if you have recently uploaded a story on Instagram and if it expires and you want to check whether who has visited your Instagram story, and if you want to check about the list of person visited your Instagram story from the Instagram, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now here you have to simply search for the app store, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and after that you have to check whether your story time is available or not. And if it is available, then you can simply check the visitors list. But if it expires, then you can simply go to settings and privacy, and here you have to simply look for the data, and you can simply go for the data download. So for this, you have to simply request the Instagram support team that you want to get the data of your recent Instagram story. For this, you have to simply click on report a problem, and after that, you have to click on report a problem without shaking, and after that, you have to explain the problem to Instagram team that you want to get the data of your latest Instagram story, and you can request them that you want to get the visitors of your Instagram story after it expires. But if you want to get in from the settings or normally, then there is no option available. So there may be apps available which can provide you this kind of data, but I will recommend you to do not use that kind of app because they may be able to steal your data. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.